Welcome to the channel, people. Gang Green. If you're new to the channel, subscribe for me. Make sure you smash that like button. Today, we're going to be talking about what does your network look like? Because your network is your net worth. And that's a fact. Who are you hanging around with? Who do you spend most of your time with? What kind of junk are you feeding into your mind? Now, I know we all got our day ones, you know, people we went to elementary school with, played basketball with, we done known them for 20 years. But some of them are content with life, which is fine. You know, some of them got families, good jobs, 401ks, and they good, you know, they don't need the extra stress. But as for us, those who are trying to gain green, we have to increase our network, okay? We have to get into different rooms. We have to meet people who are doing things that we already want to do. Being the smartest one in the room is not a flex, okay? You need to get on Google. You need to find groups in your area, in your city or your town that have people who are successful, people who are motivated. Because they say that when you're around people who are unmotivated and unsuccessful and unlucky and unhappy, they decrease your morale by 30% by just being around them. Now, when you get in a room of overachievers, go-getters, successful people, they inherently increase your morale by 15%. It's up to you to get the rest of the way. Now, there's a law from the 48 laws of power. It's the 10th law. It's called infectious. And it basically says stay away from unlucky and unhappy people because they spread misery like an infection, like a plague, and it can get into you. You ever been around somebody and all they do is tell you about how things is going bad and all you do is feel bad for them? They keep you in a state of sympathy, keep you in a state of empathy. No, yeah, we love you and stuff like that, but you know what, bro? I need to get to the bag. So I need to be around people that's gonna give me good ideas, that's gonna give me motivation, risk takers. When you get into these type of rooms, that's where you're probably gonna find your mentor. You know, somebody who's already been doing what you're doing and is already successful at doing what you want to do. So, like I said, get on Google, you know, and use some groups to get into. Now, if this video is helpful for us, make sure you subscribe and share this video, especially if you know someone that this video could help.